Good morning, teacher, fellow students, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to tell you a story entitled The Wise Ruler of the Ant Kingdom. Long time ago, its ant kingdom was ruled by a wise king. His subjects loved him. One day, there was a heavy downpour. The king said, "Hey, it looks like there is going to be a flood." Yes, what do we do? The advisors panic. If we do not find a way to stop the water, we will all be dead. One advisor came up with a solution. I have an idea. Let's close the entrance to the kingdom with this huge rock. They were safe. There was no food. They were all starving. If this goes on, we might end up eating ourselves to survive. The king, we have to find a way to stop feeling hungry. But how? I got it, shouted the king. His subjects were all shocked at the king's reaction. "My king, are you feeling alright?" asked one of his advisors. The king smiled and said, "My subjects, let's tie up our stomachs until the flood is over. Then we won't feel the hunger." And once the flood subsided, the ants loosened their stomachs, but the stomachs remained the same. So that's why until today, ants have such small stomachs. Thank you.